Myntri Rangbah gejala ukonrat ke sangma henen kesngi ula pentikna bahaya ki degree bala ai da ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kilong ki basisha hadian ka jingsha kem jong chancellor ma bubble hawk ha ki pulet Assam halor ka jingkeno le bakla ha ka bayadei bat ka examen usangma ula kiar ban kren halor ka ni ka benta henry ula Pynshai ba baro ki jingyo jingbet bat ki kot kisla na ka benta ka Ustm ki don hapdeng ka jingbet jingrenti klem kanu
So whatever is being done by the Ustm is totally legitimate in terms of the work that is happening. So there is no doubt about that. So we're very clear on this point. So that's why I'm clarifying on behalf of Meghalaya government and Ustm, saying that all the permissions, all the necessary documentation, everything is in order. There is nothing that is wrong. I'm clarifying that again to you. But regarding comments made by my counterpart, that is something that he will have to answer. I cannot answer on his behalf on what basis or why he's saying that. That's what I'm saying.